Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. Experimental design is considered one of the most important topics of statistics, not only for the written test of statistics but also the interview. Today I will discuss very important theoretical questions, all multiple choice theoretical questions with you people for that topic of statistics. Before starting today's vital lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 of today's lecture is: completely randomized design is based on the principles of. Dear students, please keep in mind there are three basic principles of experimental design. First one is randomization, second is replication, and the third one is local control. A very important concept I want to discuss with you. In CR design, completely randomized design, there is no use of local control, that is not used. But in randomized complete block design, in RCBD, these three are used. In CR design, we use only these two: randomization and replication. And here the question for all the written test of statistics is: completely randomized design is based on the principles of A. Replication, randomization and local control. It is incorrect. B. Randomization and local control only. Incorrect. C. Replication and local control only. Incorrect. D. Replication and randomization. These two are used in CR design. A very important question. Question number 2: the design based on randomization, replication and local control is, as I told you earlier, these three basic principles are used in RCBD, randomized complete block design, and it is the correct option of question number 2. Now question number 3: the experimental design which provides maximum degree of freedom for error is A. Latin square design, B. split plot design, C. RC square design, B. split plot design, C. RCBD, D. CR design. CR design is the correct option. It provides us maximum degree for the error, a very important one. Question number 4: which of the following designs are based on the mathematical models of one-way and two-way classifications respectively? A very important one. Dear students, please keep in mind we have mathematical models for CR design and RCBD, for these two only. We do not have for LSD. That is the correct option. Question number 5: a completely randomized design is also known as A. single block design. Incorrect. Unsystematic design. Incorrect. C. non-restrictional design. There is no restriction of making the blocks, of making the homogeneous groups of the experimental units. That's why CR design is also called non-restrictional design. That is the correct option. Question number 6: to compare several treatments when the experimental units are homogeneous, the appropriate design to be used is. Dear students, when the experimental units are homogeneous, we want to apply a fertilizer, for example urea, to check the production of the wheat, to check its effect on our land. It's our treatment. Urea is our treatment and experimental unit is our land on which we will apply. If all the land areas, all the plots are homogeneous, there is no variation in the lands, in the plots of land, then CR design will be used to compare the effect of the treatment, which is urea. Question number 7: completely randomized designs are suitable in the situation when A. all the experimental units are not homogeneous. Incorrect. B. number of treatments is not large. Incorrect. C. plot size are very large. Incorrect. D. some units are likely to fail to respond. That is the correct option. Question number 8: CRD can be used with A, equal replication, B, unequal replication, C, single replication, D, equal and unequal replication. Dear students, please keep in mind CR design is used for both equal replication and unequal replication, but RCBD, randomized complete design, will be used with only equal replication. These two concepts are very important for you for all the papers of statistics. Next question is question number 9, and that is, when there occurs a missing value in an experiment, treatment sum of squares has A, no bias, B, downward bias, C, and upward bias. When there is some missing value in the data, then we have upward bias. That is the correct option. Question number 10. Technique used for solving the problem of missing observations in design was first given by A, Fisher, incorrect, B, Neiman, incorrect, C, Yates. Yates gave the technique of finding the value, the missing value of the data. Question number 11. Missing observations in completely randomized design are A, estimated, incorrect, we estimate the missing value in RCBD, randomized complete block design, but in CRD it is eliminated is the correct option. Question number 12. In a CR design with K treatments, how many treatments are there? These are K. They can be 4, they can be 5. Of K treatment, the degree of freedom for between levels of factor is, and that is K minus 1. K minus 1 is the correct option. Question number 13. For the estimation of the error variance, maximum number of degrees of freedom given in A, CR design, B, RCBD, C, LSD, D, factorial experiment, and we have discussed earlier that is CR design. That is the correct option in the exam. Question number 14. An experimental design where the experimental units are randomly assigned to the treatments is known as A, factor block design, B, LSD, C, RCBD, D, CR design. CR design is the correct option in the exam. Now we will discuss last question of today's lecture, and that is also very important. When the calculated value of F is greater than F value of 5%, only the differences in treatments is A, significant, B, highly significant, C, non-significant, D, both A and B. Dear students, if our calculated value of F is greater than the F value at alpha 5%, then we have significant. The differences are significant. Significant is the correct option in the exam. Assalamu alaikum.